Hi guys, today we want to prepare minced meat and potatoes. Check out. You need half a kg of minced meat. You need onions, like 2 bulb onions, just to make it tasty. And you need some potatoes that are already chopped and sliced. Start by pouring the potatoes into a pot of sufuria. Then pour in some cooking oil so that you can fry them. Just enough for you to be able to fry the potatoes. Add some cayenne pepper to taste. You can add whatever amount you want depending on whether you like a lot of pepper or little pepper. So that one adds to the taste. And then keep stirring. You can add more spices just to give it that edge and taste. So you can add some mixed spices and keep stirring as you add the spices so that the potatoes do not stick to the pot that you're using. So there we are. I'm adding more spices as we keep stirring. Add some salt to taste, to whatever level you want, so that the food can be tasteful. It's time to add the meat. So there we are. I've defrosted the meat and you have to break it into small pieces. So use the wooden stick to just keep breaking it because it's one lump of meat, but it's minced meat. So as you keep doing that, keep breaking it into pieces so that it can disseminate into the small pieces of meat. A tip for you is that make sure that by the time you're adding the meat, the potatoes are not very well cooked, so that you can be able to keep crushing the meat. You realize I'm crushing the meat and the potatoes are not cooked yet. So I can be able to crush the meat, mix up, and the potatoes are not disseminating in the mixture. So make sure you put the meat well in advance before the potatoes cook so that you can be able to mix in the potatoes into the minced meat. You need to keep crushing the meat because if you don't crush the minced meat, what happens is that you'll end up having lumps. Time to add onions. Add the onions so that they can give you the amazing taste that comes with onions. So add some onions and stir in the onions so that it's amazing, the taste. People, it's smelling amazing. It's smelling very nice. Yum, yum, yum. Time to finally add in the tomatoes. I'm adding in the tomatoes to give it amazing soup. Heavy, nice soup. So let's just mix it in so that the tomatoes can melt into the food. Then add the green pepper so that it can give it that amazing smell that you're looking for. The green pepper, it gives a very nice taste in the meat. So you add that as you keep stirring. You've noticed the tomatoes have disseminated. This is so yummy. Try this at home and please don't forget to subscribe. There, our minced meat is ready and we are ready to have that minced meat mixed with potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.